Hello everyone and welcome to MecaParts. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bulk import your inventory using MecaParts. First, log into MecaParts through your Shopify account. Then, click on the Import Your Stock button at the top left. Choose your file and make sure the column titles match exactly with the ones in our example. The import process will take a few minutes. You can upload up to 2,000 products at once, and it usually takes no more than 20 minutes. Once the import is complete, a report will appear showing which products were successfully uploaded and which weren't. You can access the detailed report by clicking on Review Result. From there, you'll see any errors that occurred during the import process. And that's it. Your products will be showcased on your store with accurate information, including descriptions, references, and documents. Not only that, but MecaParts also displays the full list of compatible vehicles for each part. That's all for now. Hope this helped and see you next time.